15 old-fashioned frugal living tips that you can start using right now. Whether you're a seasoned frugalista or just starting your journey towards financial freedom, these tips will inspire and guide you. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Cooking and Meal Planning. 1. Show images/videos of old recipes and modern equivalents. Cook from scratch. Embrace the lost art of homemade meals. Not only is it healthier, but it's also much cheaper. 2. Display a pantry filled with canned goods. Stock up your pantry. Canning and preserving food can save you money in the long run. 3. Show a budget-friendly meal being prepared. Plan your meals. Create weekly meal plans to reduce food waste and impulsive takeout orders. Segment 2. Budgeting and Saving. 4. Display a piggy bank. Use cash for budgeting. Cash envelopes can help you control your spending and stick to a budget. 5. Show images of homemade cleaning supplies. Make your cleaning supplies. Simple recipes using vinegar, baking soda, and lemon can keep your home clean and frugal. 6. Display a jar filled with coins. Save your change. Those spare coins can add up to significant savings over time. Segment 3. DIY and Repurposing. 7. Show a sewing machine. Embrace DIY. Learn basic sewing, knitting, or carpentry skills to repair and create things at home. 8. Display before and after pictures of repurposed furniture. Repurpose and upcycle. Give old furniture or items a new life with a fresh coat of paint or a creative touch. 9. Show homemade gifts being wrapped. Number 9. Give homemade gifts. Personalized gifts often mean more and cost less. Segment 4. Transportation and Energy. 10. Show a bicycle. Opt for a bicycle or public transport. It's not only cheaper but also more environmentally friendly. 11. Display a bundle of blankets. Bundle up in the winter. Layering and using blankets can help you reduce heating costs. 12. Show a collection of reusable shopping bags. Use reusable items. Ditch disposable products and invest in reusable bags, bottles, and containers. Segment 5. Gardening and Homegrown. 13. Show a small backyard garden. Start a garden. Growing your fruits and vegetables can save money and provide fresh, organic produce. 14. Display a basket of homemade preserves. Preserve your harvest. Learn canning and make your jams, pickles, and sauces. 15. Show a compost bin. Compost your kitchen waste. It's great for the environment and enriches your garden soil. And there you have it, 15 old-fashioned frugal living tips to try today. Remember, frugality is not about deprivation but about making conscious choices to live a more fulfilling life within your means. If you have any old-fashioned frugal living tips of your own, or if you've tried any of these, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from TapIT. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy frugal living.